This is the Now Express Group Sprint 1 overview. Group members are Tommy Walker, Joshua Pinson, and Brandon Kuhn. Tommy Walker is in charge of the storefront page, navigation bar, and login. Joshua Pinson is responsible for the navigation bar and drop-down menu. Brandon Kuhn is in charge of the login and registration setup. As a user, I want to be able to see the Welcome Now Express store page so that I can visualize my options on the website. The website is displayed. The website has items and resources that appear. Here you can see the Welcome Now Express store page as well as the options that this page provides. As a user, I want to visualize all the options that are shown to me so that I can know what I want to do. Options are displayed on the website. Options are clear in what they represent. Here you can see the options that the website provides, along with other options that are self-explanatory.
As a user, I want to be able to see the navigation bar so that I can see the options available to me. The navigation bar is displayed on the website, and the navigation bar has links that redirect to different parts of the website. As we can see here, the navigation bar is displayed on the website, and each item in the navigation bar has a link that redirects to every part, as we can be seeing here when we hover the mouse over each category.
As a user, I want to see the navigation bar so that I can access different features of the website. As I click on each feature, the navigation bar, I am redirected to different parts of the website. Each feature redirects to a specific part of the website.
As a user, I want to access the drop-down menu feature so that I can access different shopping categories. As I click on the drop-down menu, items are loaded up and displayed. Clicking on said item redirects users to the specific shopping category.
As a user, I want to be able to see the login button at the header section of the website so that it is easily found when attempting to log in. Login button is displayed on the website, and login button is on the top right section of the website. And as you can see here, the login is on the top right over here, and it's on the top right of the website. As a user, I want to directly log in from wherever page I am on so that I can log in as a registered user. The login button is displayed. Regardless of what section of the website one is on, the button is still displayed. When the login button is pressed with appropriate information, I log in as a registered user. When the login button is pressed with inappropriate information, I do not log in as a registered user.
As an unregistered user, I want to be able to see the display of a register button so that I can become a registered user. The register button is displayed while being an unregistered user. The unregistered user can click on the button and proceed to begin the process of registration. Here's the Create Account button, which is also your registration button. Then you can begin creating your account.
As a registered user, I want to be able to log in so that I can access my account whenever I wish to. The login button is displayed on the screen. If I am not logged in, then I can choose to log in. Once I log in, I see the website as a registered user does.